When I was a kid in Connecticut, fireworks were illegal. So I always find it surprising every year. Here in Michigan, the laws are a little bit different. People will set up tents like this that are seasonal, just meant to be there for a few weeks, where the sole purpose is to buy fireworks. So this is on Telegraph Road, Taylor, Michigan. And just to give you an idea where we are, we're not too far away from the Luck Star Buffet and a thrifty florist. And there we are. A place that devotes itself to selling fireworks, so little children can blow their fingers off, and cats and dogs that are afraid of fireworks get terrified, and so veterans with PTSD can have memories of the wars. So, one advantage of living in Michigan, you can buy fireworks and blow them up.